Imagine a world where you could take control of your living space, transforming it into the sanctuary you've always dreamed of. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. What if you could tackle those small repairs and projects without the fear of costly professional help? The journey of becoming a new homeowner can feel overwhelming, but having the right tools at your fingertips can empower you to manage your home with confidence. Today, we're diving into the must-have tools every new homeowner should consider, equipping you with the knowledge to maintain and improve your space effectively. The first essential tool you need is a tape measure or laser distance measure. Number 1. A reliable 25-foot tape measure allows you to measure furniture and rooms accurately. To make your life easier, consider investing in a laser distance measure for quick and precise readings with just the push of a button. This minimizes the chances of misreading measurements, especially in larger spaces. Number 2. A claw hammer is indispensable for hanging pictures, securing loose railings, and handling basic repairs. It's wise to have both a standard hammer and a lightweight pin hammer on hand. The pin hammer is perfect for delicate tasks, allowing you to work with trim without causing damage. Choose a hammer that feels comfortable in your hand to avoid unnecessary strain. Number 3. A comprehensive screwdriver set is essential for everyday tasks. Look for one with various sizes of flathead and Phillips head tips. A multi-bit screwdriver is particularly useful, as it saves space while providing versatility. A magnetic tip screwdriver holds screws in place, preventing them from dropping into hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. A set of pliers, including needle nose, slip joint, and channel lock style pliers, is crucial for gripping, twisting, and cutting materials. These different types allow you to handle tasks ranging from plumbing repairs to electrical work effectively. Opt for pliers with rubberized grips for comfort during extended use. Number 5. A bubble level ensures that your pictures, shelves, and furniture are straight and well-aligned. This tool is often underestimated. An uneven shelf can lead to items sliding off or appearing unprofessional. Consider a level with built-in magnets if you plan to work on metal surfaces, so it stays secure while you adjust your items. Number 6. A stud finder is invaluable for hanging heavy items like shelves or televisions securely to the wall. Choose one with both magnetic and electronic scanning capabilities to locate strong points quickly. Always double-check your findings by knocking on the wall before drilling. Number 7. A high-quality utility knife is versatile for opening boxes, cutting carpet edges, or scraping paint. Keep an extra blade handy for when the current one dulls. This ensures you can tackle any task without interruption. A retractable blade enhances safety, preventing accidental cuts. Number 8. An adjustable wrench is essential for manipulating hex nuts and bolts around the house. This tool is handy for projects like assembling furniture or tightening plumbing fixtures. Adjust the jaw snugly against the nut to prevent slipping. Number 9. An Allen wrench set is necessary for assembling furniture and items with hexagon-shaped sockets. Get a set with both metric and standard sizes to cover most common needs. Keeping these wrenches organized in your toolbox saves time during assembly projects. Number 10. A sturdy ladder is essential for reaching high places around your home. Opt for a 6-foot A-frame ladder that's versatile and easy to store. Prioritize safety by ensuring stability before climbing and never overreach while on it. Equipping yourself with these essential tools empowers you to tackle minor issues independently, saving money while boosting your confidence as a homeowner. Consider this. Hiring a handyman can average between $60 and $125 per hour, which can quickly add up if you have multiple repairs. By having the right tools on hand, you can address leaky faucets or replace light fixtures yourself. Moreover, investing in quality tools can significantly increase your home's value. Well-maintained features can sell for up to 10% more than similar homes needing work. Simple repairs, like patching holes or tightening cabinet handles, can positively impact how potential buyers perceive your property. Understanding the specific needs of your projects is crucial for selecting the right tools. Quality tools enhance efficiency and longevity, saving you money over time compared to frequently replacing cheaper options. Before starting a project, create a checklist of required tools based on tasks involved. This preparation keeps you focused and avoids last-minute hardware store runs. When choosing tools, consider their durability, ergonomic design, versatility, ease of use, storage options, safety features, warranty support, and brand reputation. Quality materials ensure longevity. Ergonomic designs reduce strain. Versatile tools maximize investment. User-friendly features enhance usability. Good storage protects your tools. Safety features prevent accidents. Warranties provide peace of mind. And reputable brands often deliver reliable performance. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, envision tackling projects around your home with newfound confidence. The journey of homeownership doesn't have to be daunting or expensive. Instead, it can be fulfilling and empowering as you create a space that reflects your personality. Stay tuned for more insights on how to make the most of your home projects, and consider exploring our platform at Big Home Projects. We provide a comprehensive directory to connect you with reliable contractors who can help you tackle your projects successfully. Remember, having access to the right professionals can transform any task from overwhelming to manageable, making your homeowner journey not just about maintaining your space, but enhancing it beautifully. What will you create next?